How to avoid unnecessary inquiries without buying that purchase. You sell physical product, you sell digital product, you get so much inquiries and people don't buy. There's a reason why it's like that. There are many reasons, but in this video, I'm going to Spotify just one or maybe two reasons why people keep coming to you and they ask about your product and yet they don't buy from you. Most of the time, it's not their fault, it's our fault. It's our fault because we don't create a system that will actually filter people who are not really interested. So what we are going to do is to find what we are doing wrong and try to correct it. Because I simply feel this is what we do as business people. You look for what is wrong and you solve it. I guess that's how it works. Number one reason why you sell and yet people come in, ask after what you sell is called pricing. Either one, your pricing is not understood or you post products without price, especially for those WhatsApp vendors. You sell wigs, you sell clothes, you sell whatever you sell. Put your price as though it's a product. It's not a service that people can just easily, even if they want to price it, they already know what this price already ranges from. A product of 30,000 naira will not be priced by someone else for 5,000. They already know if they are good fit for this. Anybody who sees a 30,000 naira product can simply tell you, okay, fine, I don't have up to 30,000, maybe I have 25,000, maybe 28,000. There's a margin. That's a margin. You cannot say you want to buy the product of 30,000 for 5,000 naira. It does not work that way. This is another thing that we need to put into consideration. We pursue people away when we paste, especially on our WhatsApp status, and they ask, how much is this? And they don't come back for it because they are not your audience. Because 1,000 people saw your product doesn't mean 1,000 people are meant to buy your product. So when you tell them, it's 2,500 or it's 3,000 naira, and they'll be like, oh, in their heart, it's too expensive. I can't afford this. I know what kind of cost is this. Some persons don't care about luxury. Some persons just simply care about buying the product, just buying something. Like someone like me, I don't care about luxury. I just want to wear a t-shirt. So if you sell a t-shirt of 150,000 naira to me, I wouldn't buy it because I don't care about luxury. I just want to look good. I want to wear something fine. That's the thing. So many people don't care about whether it's a luxury item or not. They just want to know if they can afford it because it's a necessity for them, not a thing of luxury or impulse. You understand? So that's one of the things, if you're a product seller, that you do that actually make people come into your shop, they ask after your product and go back without actually buying. So you get so much inquiries. Wow, this thing looks very fine. How much? This thing looks very fine. How much? This looks very fine. How much? So stop posting product without prices. When you put a product, put the price that you know you want to sell. If it is 30,000 naira and you know you can easily go for 25,000 naira, you'll be like 30,000 naira or slightly negotiable. That simply help people who are your audience, who are interested and who can pay to come into your DM. And then you get less people crowding your DMs without buying. I believe this should help you.